Welcome to another video, guys. Today is going to be a little different. We're going to go dumpster diving, kind of, in a junkyard. Got my buddy Mark with me. Say hi, Mark.
What's up?
He's my little powder coating, sandblasting guy. So we're going to go dig through the local junkyard and see what we can find. So let's get to it. So far we've only found a couple valve covers and a carburetor for him. Yeah, since he rebuilds them for a living. Alright, so the information that was given to me was wrong. Junkyard said that there was an all-wheel drive 5-speed trans out of an Element. Turns out to be an automatic. But walked away with 2 valve covers. Gonna sandblast them, powder coat them, probably put them up for sale, see how that goes. Yeah, so it was a bust, but whatever. If it's too good to be true, it usually is. But yeah, let's get back to the house. Okay, back at home. Like I said, all I got was these valve covers. This one's in a pretty rough shape. A lot of corrosion, as you can see. But we're going to put it through the sandblaster, clean it up real nice, see what it looks like at the end. I mean, it's not too bad, but like I said, it's just corrosion from sitting, being old, typical Honda stuff, typical engine stuff. This one here, the only issue I see with it, there's a couple of marks here, which we could probably sand out, and then this little piece here is broke, which I'm going to try and flatten it up. But yeah, so let's get these cleaned up. Oh yeah, the undersides are really dirty. That one not so much, this one's really bad. But yeah, we're going to clean them up and see what we can do with them. So let's get started. Welcome back. It's actually the next weekend instead of next day. I know I said I was going to go and get a new tool and come right back. Well, I didn't. Well, for you guys I did, but I didn't. Got my new tool. Absolutely love it. It works wonders. It's got 4 different settings for speeds. And yeah, so I tested it out on this guy. It's got all the casting marks completely off, nice and smooth all the way around. This one actually came up all the way around here. You can kind of see the line there, but it is not there anymore. It's nice and smooth. So this is what it looked like. This is slightly different. The little casting mark here goes all the way around. That's what I'm sanding down. And then once that's sanded down, I'm going to give it to my sandblaster guy, Mark. And he's going to actually completely sandblast it, and then we're going to powder coat him. So yeah, let's do this one and see how it goes. Right, there you have it. I'm gonna go back with the Scotch wheel and kind of polish it up a little bit. But like I said, it's gonna be sandblasted, so all that would be nice and smooth. Also, it is aluminum. I gotta get that out. Can't find the charger for my DeWalt drill, so I can't get that out yet. But yeah, other than that, that's 2 of them done. I'll send them to my buddy tonight once he gets off work, and he'll have them probably sandblasted and hopefully powder coated by Sunday, and I'll show you guys the end result. If we get going with this, we'll take orders. You guys just tell us what color you want, and we could possibly get it done and ship it out to you. If not, we'll probably just, you know, sell them on eBay or something, or keep a few for me and swap them out whenever I feel like changing colors. But yeah, so that's the video. This thing is awesome. I love it. Like I said, 4 different speeds. I got the M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0. I've used it for probably 4 hours or so today. Haven't had to recharge it. The only downfall that I don't like about it is there's no like battery life indicator, like how my DeWalt's have. But can't go wrong with Milwaukee. But yeah, so that's the video. I'll do another Junkyard video here soon, probably next weekend or so. Go and find some more valve covers and hopefully some more stuff. But yeah, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Machine.